The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Firecracker shrimp is summer grilling at its most effortless, sweet, spicy, and ready in minutes. The name says it all. These skewered shrimp sizzle on the grill with a glossy apricot preserves glaze spiked with soy sauce and crushed red pepper, creating a sweet and heat combination that crackles with flavor. The recipe comes from the Gone Fishin cookbook by the Mr. Frest Food Test Kitchen, where it appears on page 36 as part of the shellfish chapter. With just 6 ingredients and a 3-minute cook time, it is one of the fastest recipes in the entire book. The genius of the dish lies in its glaze. Apricot preserves provide a fruity sweetness that caramelizes beautifully over an open flame, while soy sauce adds a salty umami depth that balances the sugar. Crushed red pepper brings the firecracker heat, enough to tingle but not overwhelm. The shrimp themselves cook in just 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning from translucent gray to pink and opaque with attractive grill marks. The same recipe appears on MrFood.com, the official online home of the Mr. Strain Food Test Kitchen, where home cooks have been reviewing and adapting it since 2012. Taste of Home also publishes an identical version credited to Mary Tallman of Arbor, Vitae, Wisconsin, confirming the recipe's wide circulation and enduring popularity among grilling enthusiasts. Shrimp. Large shrimp cleaned and divined, tails left on, 1 pound skewers STW apricot glaze, apricot preserves 1/2 cup, vegetable oil 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, crushed red pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. No cooking in this section. These are the prep steps to complete before you turn on the grill. Step 1. Soak the skewers. If using wooden skewers, submerge them in water for at least 20 minutes. This prevents them from catching fire on the grill. If using metal skewers, skip this step entirely. Step 2. Clean and devein the shrimp. Start with 1 pound of large shrimp. Peel each shrimp, leaving the tail intact for a decorative handle. Using a small paring knife or a deveining tool, make a shallow slit along the back of each shrimp and lift out the dark digestive vein. Rinse briefly under cold water and pat dry with paper towels. Step 3. Mix the apricot glaze. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of apricot preserves, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Stir until the preserves loosen and all the ingredients form a smooth, glossy sauce. The warmth of the preserves will help the oil and soy sauce incorporate fully. Set aside. Cooking steps. No prep in this section. Everything below assumes your ingredients are ready. Step 1. Preheat the grill. Set your grill to medium heat. If using a gas grill, aim for roughly 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If using charcoal, spread the coals in an even layer and let them settle until they are covered with light gray ash. You want a steady, moderate heat, not a roaring fire. Step 2. Thread the shrimp onto skewers. Thread approximately 4 shrimp onto each of the 6 skewers, pushing them through the thicker part near the head end so they stay secure. Leave a small gap between each shrimp so the heat can reach all surfaces. The tail should point outward for a classic presentation. Step 3. Brush with the apricot glaze. Using a basting brush, generously coat both sides of each shrimp skewer with the apricot mixture. Do not skimp. The glaze is what gives the shrimp their signature sweet spicy crust and glossy finish. Step 4. Grill the shrimp. Place the skewers on the preheated grill over medium heat. Grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until the shrimp turn pink and opaque and are cooked through. Baste occasionally with additional apricot mixture during grilling for an extra layer of flavor. The glaze will caramelize and develop beautiful charred spots. That is exactly what you want. Step 5. Serve immediately. Remove the skewers from the grill and transfer to a serving platter. Serve hot, straight off the grill. These shrimp are best enjoyed immediately while the glaze is still warm and sticky.